What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Crypto Chain Gang. My name is Logan Chain Allenball. Today we got some really solid content for you. I'm excited the market is moving. Things are, going in the right direction. It's a good time to be in the cryptocurrency field. Check out the new shirt here. Shout out to my amazing girl for getting this. Bitcoin with mountains on it. Like, what more could you ask for? It's a perfect shirt. But let's just jump right into the content for today. Got a few good technical analysis things. Show you a couple things that I had marked out that went exactly as planned. Currently up way over 50% on BAT. So yeah, let's just dive right into it. First off, I'm gonna cover BAT, I'm gonna cover Bitcoin, where I see things going. I'm gonna cover BAT. I'm gonna cover VET, VeChain, and then the BNB coin, because it's been going crazy while Bitcoin's been going sideways. So let's check this out. Guys, yes, we have been trending sideways here on Bitcoin. We're in a major term of consolidation, but just know, any bull market does not end in consolidation. It's not going to just range sideways and then drop down, and that's the end of the bull run. Bull runs always end with blow off tops, right? So where it goes super parabolic and then crashes back down. We're not seeing the end of the bull market here. There's two possible scenarios that could definitely play out here within the next few days, hours, both of which are big moves. It's been consolidating for a very long time. It's squeezing tighter and tighter, and so we will see a pop to one side or the other here soon. What I am seeing in the immediate short term, let me go to the daily real quick. We'll hop out on a little bit bigger of a screen here. So, what I'm looking for as a signal for the next my next trade or my next move is a couple things here. First off, we've got this big ascending wedge that it's in right here with this horizontal resistance and the ascending wedge here. What I would really like to see as a positive catalyst for it to continue to the upside is a full daily close above this $60,000 level. If we have a full close above here with a retest, it will continue on with this, like I have here copied and paste, with this measured move that will take us above 67K, near 70K. And so that's kind of where we're winding up for on the upside. Now on the flip side of that, we totally could get stuffed right here again at 60,000, come down, shake out all the weak hands, wick down even into the $40,000 area, come down here, take out these lows, take out everybody's stop loss that's got, a margin position, the stop loss under here, come eat them up, and then turn around, find support, and then continue on to the upside. So both options are valid right now. Just, be patient. This is the king. He's got to move one way or the other. And, we're still continuing to have major news developments in Bitcoin and, more awareness every single day. Starbucks accepts Bitcoin now. So just crazy how fast things are happening here. But definitely, I would not be surprised if we see a $70,000 Bitcoin within the next couple weeks. It's April. Things are about to start taking off. Speaking of taking off, let's check out BAT. This thing is currently up only 15%. However, look at this. Let me go down to a 4 hour here, and we'll hop on here. All right, make this a little better for you. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, way back when it was just in this descending range here, I found this key support level, and I saw that once it broke above this support level and stayed above it and found support, which ended up being right here, that it would probably go pretty parabolic and send us all the way up in towards that $1.65 mark. Well, today is that day, guys. Look at this massive volume candle that came in. That's the biggest volume I think that's ever came into, maybe. Right there's another one, but still just massive volume that came into play on BAT. Again, this is basic attention tokens, part of the Brave browser, but just majorly up right now. I think it wicked up all the way up here like 18% in the last 2 hours, so that's huge. We're definitely doubling our positions here, but with this being said, it could look at this. When I copied and pasted this parabolic move from a previous parabolic move, we already, look at that. It's crazy because it came up, it hit this resistance at that measured move that I provided right there. And now, look, guys, we could probably come back down and have a retest of this general area right here. right, which happens to be previous resistance. Well, guess what? It hit this resistance, came back down, broke through the resistance. We're probably eventually going to see it come back down, retest this resistance in a general area, catch up with these EMAs, and then continue on to that $1.65 area and beyond. So keep your eyes on this one. It's continuing to move, guys. It's only $1.30. This thing has huge potential. It could be valued, who knows, over $10 in a year. Not putting any price predictions on it at the moment. I'd have to do some real technical analysis, but I mean, I've been spot on with this guy since it was at like 20 cents. So check that out. Pretty impressive there. Next thing I want to cover is V-Chain. This thing also up 8-9% today. Has just continued to truck on and on. Let me scroll out a little bit here for you guys. As you can see, it's just been on this major rampart of an uptrend ever since its creation. Again, this is a newer technology. This is a newer crypto to come into the space this year. Only valued at 12 cents right now. Excuse me, guys. Only valued at about 12 cents. We had this long consolidation period. We broke out of this resistance. It came back down, tested this resistance perfectly right here, and continued on to the upside above 12 cents. So this thing is continuing to truck, especially when Bitcoin is moving sideways. This thing is going. VET, I think it's available on, I know it's on Exodus. It might be on Coinbase. Great thing to look into, new technology. When you hold this and you stake this, you also get this token, as you know, they pay you out in this token, and it also is looking very nice. It's up 7% today, and it will continue to follow the general direction that VET goes, because that's its main token. Last thing I want to cover, let's see how I'm doing on time here. All right, we got about 3 minutes. Last thing I want to cover is BNB. Guys, whoo. So BNB obviously is the Binance coin, so the exchange Binance. This is their native token. You can do everything on Binance with transaction wise, or holding this coin on there, using it as their base coin. But not that long ago, why am I on a small screen? Here we go. Let's get some live action going here. Not that long ago, it went from about $128 all the way up to about $330, $340, and I missed it. For some reason, I was not holding Binance coin. However, I saw this happen and I wasn't going to miss it again. So we've now more than doubled our money, but I want to show you guys that exact analysis that got me and those close around me into this, and we were majorly profiting. So all I saw was, okay, this thing went parabolic. Let's take it from the swing low to the swing high, right here. Drag that out so you guys can see how it played out. And simply, I added in the golden ratio zone, so the 50 to 618. I added right in here at the low 2, so 220 mark, and then I also added over here when it bounced up this 50% level for the last time at 230. So really just a simple Fibonacci sequence, swing low to swing high. It came back and retraced perfectly into that 50 to 618 zone. I didn't trade it, I just bought it, so a lot less risky, just getting it at an excellent level. And since those times, it's now at $437, which is an all-time high. I think it's up like 9% today. I don't know. I'd have to check. However, pretty impressive. It went long and took off. And the thing is that this is going to continue to go. I believe that Binance has more money in their exchange than the entire stock market. This is a global company, right? It's not just the United States. In fact, they probably have least amount of business in the United States. I don't know. Not a lot. However, it's bigger than the stock market. So one Binance coin being valued at $437, and you see a Bitcoin that's over $60,000 or sometimes over $60,000, it doesn't seem that crazy to see that this is going to go over $1,000. Again, we got in right in this 250 area, 220 area, more than doubled our money here. And yeah, we're just going to continue to watch this one go up. And as Binance becomes more and more of a powerhouse in the crypto field, this thing will continue to truck on. If you're standing on the sidelines right now, well, we just broke out of this triangle, right? So we had a little bit of a parabolic move. Let it play out. It may continue all the way up to 520. Who knows, right? I'd have to do a little bit of a measured move here. But it's going to retrace. So just be patient. It's going to come back down. Do something similar, Fibonacci sequence. Wait for it to pull back. Come back to the EMAs. Whatever it may be.